Hello everybody, good morning. Today I am going to talk about a stock which is a leader in the two-wheeler industry, that is Hero MotoCorp. We recently came out with its results since it came out with its Q4 FY21 numbers. The numbers were quite impressive, especially on the margin front. We know that the volumes also were quite strong as compared to last year, as they grew by more than 20%, and since the base was quite weak last year, and also there has been quite a good pickup since last year's pandemic. And if you see the profitability numbers, the margins came close to about 14%, which was much better than what Street had expected. And this is because of the strong cost cutting initiatives that the company has taken, that is the Leap 2 program, under which they are controlling their employee costs, other expenses, marketing expenses, etc. Although we have seen a very strong jump in the prices of input costs like steel, as well as precious metals like palladium, rhodium, etc., the company has managed that cost increase quite well by taking price hikes close to about 6 to 7% since the month of January. And also this cost cutting initiative that I have said earlier. So going forward, we know that Q1 is not going to be that great because the second wave of COVID pandemic has surged once again, and it is taking toll of the entire India INC. And the company has also taken some shutdowns at its plants because of safety purpose, and that is going to impact the production as well as retail sales going forward. And if you see beyond Q1, then Q2 will be a quarter of monsoon, and we are expecting the a very good monsoon this year as well. So the I would say the underlying drivers are quite in place. But if the pandemic goes beyond Q1, then it is a matter of worry. But going forward, all other drivers are quite intact. Rural economy will be has been quite good, but the brake has been applied in Q1. So expecting it to be back on track. Monsoons will be good, and overall economy will be on an up move, and the demand for personal mobility will still be there, considering an ongoing pandemic. So based on all these fundas, and also we are expecting the Leap 2 program to pan out well going forward as well, because it has shown a good about 200 bips cost saving in FY21, and going forward also it is expected to help the margins. So we are expecting about 15 odd percent margins in FY22 and 15.5% margins in FY23. So margin trajectory will be on an up move, and if the the pandemic comes under control, then the volumes also will be seeing a very good surge in Q2. Just like what we had seen in the previous wave, the pent up demand was quite strong. So a similar growth can be expected this year as well. And based on all these, we are holding our buy rating on the stock with a target close to about 3300. So every opportunity, every dip in the stock price will be giving us an opportunity to be in this stock. So watch out for this one. And it's a market leader in the two-wheeler industry, and its exports are also doing well now. They are picking up, new models are getting launched, and the company has gained market share close to about 3.5% over the last 1 year. The scooter segment is doing well. Also, the premium segment is doing well for Hero MotoCorp. They are trying to get a good presence in that segment. So overall, things are looking quite positive for it. And as I said earlier, every dip is a very good opportunity to buy. Thank you.